You can use a pocket knife. You can use a pocket knife to cut it if you don't want to split it in half like that. Just make sure the knife is clean. And you can take the fig. You can take the fig and just gently cut it through like that. So you see the actual inside of the fig. Again, you just have a quick look. Make sure there is nothing moving there, nothing suspicious. And this is best to use a knife, especially if you're sharing it with someone, because they look nicer like this. They look nicer when you cut them, a bit like watermelon slices. Okay, so you can really cut the figs in 2 or 4 slices. And make sure they look nice. And also make sure nothing is moving in there. So you can really cut them. Most important is to keep the first cut, make it like this, so you can see inside what's the situation there. Most important is to do the first cut like this inside, so you can see this, so you can see the situation there with the fig. These are perfect. If they are opened here, then there might be bugs getting in, but because they didn't open, they are perfect, ready to eat. Also make sure to clean your knife. This is the Victorinox Swiss Army knife, compact. Nice and portable. Okay. And to eat the figs, you just eat them as they are. No need to eat them with. You just eat the figs as they are. If you want to eat them cut like this. Thanks for watching.